How do I disable the security certificate check in Python requests? I am using, but I get a request.exceptions.slayer. The website has an expired certificate, but I am not sending sensitive data, so it doesn't matter to me. I would imagine there is an argument like verify equals false that I could use, but I can't seem to find it.
From the documentation. Requests can also ignore verifying the SSL certificate if you set verify to false. If you're using a third-party module and want to disable the checks, here's a context manager that monkey patches requests and changes it so that verify equals false is the default and suppresses the warning. Here's how you use it. Note that this code closes all open adapters that handle the patched request once you leave the context manager. This is because requests maintains a per session connection pool and certificate validation happens only once per connection, so unexpected things like this will happen.
Use requests.packages.erlib3.disable_warnings and verify equals false on requests methods.
To add to Blender's answer, you can disable SSL certificate validation for all requests using session.verify equals false. Note that erlib3, which requests users, strongly discourages making unverified HTTPS requests and will raise an insecurity request warning.
Also can be done with an environment variable.
If you want to see more, press consider subscribing.